Hi friends, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is beef rolls. This is using phyllo dough. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Around 500 grams of beef. So for the seasoning, this is 8 teaspoons of ground coriander, 8 teaspoons of ground turmeric, quarter teaspoon of white pepper powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin or cumin powder. Then we're gonna season it as well with chicken bouillon powder to taste. Then add in 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. And your filling is basically ready. We have cabbage. This is awesome mixed with cabbage as well. So this phyllo pastry has been defrosted in the fridge for overnight. It's ready to go. So lay a phyllo sheet, brush with butter lightly, and stack it with another piece of phyllo. And then you want to roll this side just tiny bit, and the other side as well, just tiny bit, like so. Make it straight. And then roll this one too. Have to straighten this, but I'm using one hand, and then we're gonna fill the place the filling here. It's a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of mayo, and some filling. Then we're gonna roll this. The amount of filling is up to you. We're just gonna roll it, and I'm gonna show it once it's done because I'm using one hand as always, like so. So just keep rolling and then place it on a pan. At the end you want to give a, what is that called, melted butter as well. There you go. And repeat step until all filling you stop or phyllo you stop. So these 5 we're using mayo and sour cream. I'm making just with mayo and chili flakes. This chili flakes is from Indonesia. It's called bon cabe. So I divided them into 3 kinds. This is 2 ply of the phyllo. This is with mayo and sour cream. This is 2 ply of the phyllo with chilies, sour cream and chili flakes. And this is only 1 ply of the phyllo, and this is only beef. Now we're gonna bake them. Bake this on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Just gonna slice this sweet piece, snap piece. Then we're gonna place it into a clean bowl. We're gonna slice 1 English cucumber into sticks, but not julienne, like so. Now we're gonna add water, sugar, salt, and vinegar to taste. Also have some bird eye chilies. These are the green ones. Red will be prettier. Now for amount of the sugar, salt, and vinegar, it's up to you, but you want it to be sweet, sour, and salty. And add in onion as well. This is only 1 small onion. And then we're gonna add in sliced garlic, about 3 of them. Chill it or at room temperature. Now your fresh salad or fresh pickle is ready to be served with your rolled beef. Grab from the oven, cool for 5 minutes, and then ready to be served.